You know, I've been a financial strategist and retirement planning specialist now for 4 decades. And oftentimes I have CPAs and tax attorneys who will come and learn advanced continuing education. I have CPE, that's a continuing professional education courses. And we've taught some of the world's largest law firms and CPA firms many sections of the Internal Revenue Code that they're not aware of, that they don't need to know in order to pass maybe the bar exam. Well, oftentimes I'll start a CPE class with this riddle, and it will stump many of the CPAs. You ready? 3 fishermen went out for a great day of fishing, and at the end of the day, they wanted to check into this little mountain lodge. And as they were talking to the clerk, she said, "Oh, we've got a room down at the end with 3 beds. It's $30. Well, that's easy. 3 men, $30. Each of the men shell out $10. Now, they're getting settled in the room when the clerk is entering it in the books, and she goes, I forgot we're remodeling down there. The insulation's out of the wall. They can hear the laundromat, whatever. And so we've been discounting that room. It's only $25. So she took 5 $1 bills out of the cash register and gave them to the bellboy and told the bellboy, "Would you take these $5 and go refund them to those 3 men?" Well, the bellboy cannot figure out how 3 men are going to divide up 5 $1 bills, and he's not very honest. So he pockets 2 of the dollars, and he goes back and refunds $1 to each of the 3 men. So far, so good. So we have 3 men who originally paid $10. Now they each got $1 back, and so they paid really a net of $9. 3 men times $9 equals $27, plus the 2 the bellboy kept equals $29. Where's the other $1? Now, I ask that of CPAs, and they'll go, "Taxes. Oh, it went in taxes." No, they always want to blame it on taxes, right? Now, what am I doing wrong? Where's the other $1? Sometimes I will not give them the answer for an hour, and it drives some of them bonkers, okay? Now, what do you learn in accounting? What are you accounting for? Okay, now if you're accounting for the $30 and you were to do it that way, which is not really the ideal way, but that's what I alluded to, if you take 3 men times $9, that equals 27. But you don't add the 2 the bellboy kept, you add the 3 they got back. That equals $30. If you were to say 3 times 9 equals 27, and you're accounting for the price of the room, you subtract the $2 the bellboy kept. So see, I was adding $2 when I should have been adding 3, or I was adding $2 when I should have been subtracting $2. Now, a lot of times CPAs add up what investments, will grow to, that you should choose investments based upon which ones grow to the most. No, you should choose investments based upon which ones generate the most at the time in life you're going to need the money the most after subtracting the effect of taxes and inflation. So don't be adding things up without subtracting things like taxes and inflation, or you'll be stuck and stumped like these CPAs with the fisherman riddle.